Hello everybody, welcome to series 1 of It's Bandit O'Clock. This series of videos used to be on another YouTube channel, but now we've got it on the classicmotorbikes.net channel. If you're new here, welcome, hope you enjoy the videos, and if you've watched any of our other series of videos, welcome as well. I hope you enjoy seeing the first series. We filmed this quite a while ago and it was our first go at making a series of videos, so the quality of the video might not be there, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. This is the journey of buying my current Bandit 1200. Don't forget to leave us a comment and tell us what you think about the videos and how you think we did. If you could give us a subscribe and hit the bell icon, you'll get a notification every time we do an upload. Finally, I'd just like to thank some of the sponsors that helped us with series 1. The guys at WeMoto, Max Torque cans for the exhaust system, ABBA for the skylift, Suzuki Vintage Parts for some of the genuine parts on the bike, Mad for Bikes for our consumables, Wheels Motorcycles in Peterborough for some other parts as well, and Ven Hill for the brake lines. Series 1 of It's Bandit O'Clock will be uploaded on Wednesday evenings at 9 PM. So, let's watch the video. Hello everybody, my name's Ian and today I'm going to be introducing our new online project. So we're doing an online only project and we have got ourselves a lovely Bandit 1200. So our Project Bandit is a W-Reg 2000 model with 46,000 miles on the clock and it's had 9 owners. I've been looking around for a Bandit 1200 for a few months, looking on the online auction sites and the Facebook selling pages. I found one, rented a van, was really excited as it was black in the colour I was looking for, and it wasn't the one for me. There was a few bits I was concerned about with the engine and I didn't want to take the risk of buying the wrong one. So while I was up there, I went to look at another bike that I'd also seen, which was in the wrong colour, which is green. And I went to look at that one. It was low mileage and everything, but it had lived by the coast, so it wasn't the one for me again, unfortunately. I found this Bandit when I wasn't really searching hard for one. Found it on the internet auction site everybody loves to hate. It was up at £850 and it had one bid on it, so I sent the guy a message. Can I come and have a look at it? Do you have a buy it now price? Turned up, it was opposite the Triumph factory at Hinckley. Drove over there, didn't take a van with me, which is very unusual, and had a look around it, and it was a bit rough around the edges. Managed to strike a deal at £1,150, which for a Bandit 1200 I don't think is a bad price at all. I've had a couple of Bandits in the past and I've always enjoyed them and kind of got an idea of what I need to look out for. So my next step is I'm going to do a bit of riding on it, see what it's like to ride, see if there's any problems I find. I'm going to have a look around it in the garage, again, see if there's any issues with it or anything I need to rectify. I'm going to make a plan of things we need to do to the bike, things we need to do straight away, things that can wait a little while, and just some things I'd like to do to improve the bike. And all will be explained in part 2 of our Bandit online project. So thanks for watching the first instalment. Series 1 of It's Bandit O'Clock on classicmotorbikes.net YouTube channel will be uploaded at 9 PM on Wednesday evening. And if you've got any ideas or comments or suggestions for our Bandit project, please let us know in the comments and we'll make sure we read through them.